we usually trap ourselves in this loop. So I want something that is, we usually trap ourselves in this loop. This looks interesting. This looks like this garbage one. If I say, truth is, editing is just a series of, this looks like garbage. So I feel like something like this can work for that line. Trap ourselves in this loop. So we need to have something that is relevant to a loop. So this one feels like it gives the feel of being trapped. So if I have something like this, let me add another note. Because this thing, I think it will be another line. There's a clip of her speaking. I can put her here. By her, I mean Glitchy. And then put up a bar, the black solid, and then put this typography sliding. We usually trap ourselves in this loop. So what I said is I'm going to scale you up, position that. I feel like the best effects that we can actually apply for you. Wait, let's just enable a script. I love these first layers. And let's give me an adjustment layer. And then it looks like posterize, to be honest. Posterize. Ooh, it's too strong. Maybe a posterize of 2. That's even worse. Okay, something like that. And then I need some noise. Something like that. Okay. And then we need a black banner. We go up here and get, I'm sharing the screen, right? Yeah, I am. Just have to confirm and make sure. So what do we do? Rectangle layer. Just don't select that. And we need it black. That is fine. So we block that there. Let's see how that, not that. This. And it's giving this full tint. Okay. So another shape layer that I want to add is just duplicate that one. Take it, this, yeah. Let me just take both of them. Take them all the way to the beginning. That's where we were working down there, here. Just cut that to fit what we need. This one here is what I want. I need the path. I need this as around, I think 200 is what I like using. And then just scale that down a bit. And from this one here, let's see if we can match. Yeah, we'll do that. And then increase that scale. I'll just increase the width, position, so that it covers her eyes completely. Covers her eyes completely. And then for this, reduce that. And then down there, what was I saying? No, that's not it. So we put another shape layer. Control D, scale you. Let's just take you down there, position. Put you down here. Down here. And then just scale. Scale that. And I need a text. Let's just put you here. And say loop. Helvetica. Helvetica. Let's do 200. Okay, position that, and we need you centered. Same for this shape layer. You're well centered, that's great. So position, loop. So what else? Is there a synonym of loop? Say something like that. Stuck loop. And then I'll do another one and move that up. Move that up here. And what I need from that one is, we usually trap. Hey, overcooked? No, not right now. The category is not really overcooked. The category is editing. Did I forget to change that or no? Let's see. No, my category is not overcooked. My category is video editing. Video editing. Let's see. We have video editor. Okay, there's actually nothing there, but let's do that. Done. Hey, thank you so much for letting me know, Nakiri. I've adjusted and fixed that. What do you call it again? Title? Category. Yeah, fix the category. Thank you so much. But I do play Overcooked once in a while. I think I played it last 3 streams ago. I think that was where I used that one. I think stack loop. Let's remove. Let's remove that smoothness. Just let it be 0. Then we'll let it be stuck loop. Stuck loop. For this, the text won't be stuck loop. The text is this. What I'd come here to copy. Control V. Yeah, something like that. Let's see how much we can actually show if we slide from here to the end. How fast will that go? Why is it not? Okay, let's try it again. Let's put 0. Okay, we don't want stuck loop. Stuck loop is no longer in our story. Something like that, and then take you all the way. Let's do Control Shift D, delete that in either direction. Let's see. I think, oh yeah, this moved. Just bring you back. Just fix that. Just a moment. Let's see. Yeah. Then I need this. I need everything to be under the adjustment layer. Am I getting that effect? Yeah, I'm getting a bit of that effect here. And then for this one, I don't want a plain white background. So let's trim that. Huh? Oh, okay. I thought I trimmed the wrong thing for a moment. Can I just make it black? Let's try. Just make that black. Then it's like usually ta. Okay, that's good. So we are done with this. Next is thinking that we are trying to prepare. So that one, I think I can actually just do like an empty screen with the text coming in. That will work.